Good morning and thanks for joining us. We're starting out warm with clouds in Springfield. It's 65 degrees on steady southerly winds at 10 miles per hour. That dew point is at 61. That's a pretty sticky dew point out there, and we'll keep these dew points in the middle and upper 60s today, and that's going to be crucial in fueling not only thunderstorms but possibly strong and severe thunderstorms. Again, this morning more or less quiet. We've got clouds, a couple of showers starting to pop. We're watching though this line of showers and thunderstorms back in Kansas. This should get here by about 7 to 9 o'clock this morning, where we'll have a couple of storms and maybe 1 or 2 storms with large hail and damaging winds. But again, for right now and through about 7, not much going on, maybe some showers and some clouds out there. Again, as we've been advertising, we've got this front that's stalled across the Ozarks, and it's going to bring us rounds of showers and storms through today, through tomorrow, through Thursday, and then maybe even through Friday. We'll keep some rounds of showers and storms, and that's why we've got that flood threat out there as well. So again, this morning we're starting with that threat to the north and west as things start to pop in Kansas. Then as we head through the afternoon, things continue to slide south and east. We'll start to increase number and intensity of those showers and storms through the afternoon and evening. Here's that severe threat for today. Doesn't look all that different than it did yesterday. We've got that enhanced risk in the orange from Springfield and areas back down to the south and west, from Fayetteville over to Nevada, and then we've got that slight risk for the rest of the area. Still expecting some severe storms to start mainly north of I-44 in the afternoon and then start to spread south and east. They're going to organize into a squall line. That's where we'll have that threat for damaging winds, embedded tornadoes, large hail. So all modes of severe weather are possible. Then as the line pushes south and east, we'll start to see that threat diminish a little bit. So for our threat scale here, golf ball size hail, winds up to 70 miles per hour. Flooding could be pretty widespread. And then we're looking at a few tornadoes possible as well, again, especially as that line organizes. The area of this, we're looking at that tornado threat, especially tucked into the south and west here in that red. That's where we've got the healthiest tornado threat. And the same thing for those winds up to 70 miles per hour. The timing of all of this, again, maybe 1 or 2 of those storms could have wind or hail this morning with that initial push. Then maybe we'll have a lull in the afternoon of even just some thunderstorm coverage as well, and then we'll start to ramp up those severe threats by 3 o'clock or later this afternoon and evening, and we'll have that elevated tornado threat by late this afternoon and evening as we get some of those ingredients to come together. Again, the timing of this starting up to the north and west first and then continuing to spill south and east through the afternoon today, and then through the overnight tonight. We'll have that threat continue to reach the far southeast corner of our area, but continuing to diminish as it gets south and east. So hour by hour here in our future cast, we're looking at a couple of showers and rumbles of thunder through about noon, especially up to the north and west. Then we're going to start to get this line to congeal later on this afternoon and evening. And as we get that line to come in, that's where we'll have that push of damaging winds to 70 miles per hour or greater and embedded tornadoes in here. Also some locally heavy rain and lightning. That line continues to push to the south and east overnight. As we get towards this area, we'll have that damaging wind threat and maybe an isolated tornado threat, but starting to subside a little bit. We'll have a couple of storms as we head through tomorrow morning, and then we could refire up that threat through tomorrow afternoon. The rain forecast, pretty hefty. We'll have these totals approach 4 inches, which is why we've got that flash flood watch in effect through 7 a.m. on Thursday. And then again, the severe weather risk continues. This is tomorrow with that slight risk. By Thursday, it looks like a lesser risk, but could be focused to the east as that front finally tries to exit. So 76 today. Stay weather aware. We'll have rounds of showers and storms that continue through the overnight tonight with that threat for severe weather. 78 tomorrow. Another round of some thunderstorms, possibly severe. We're looking at some showers and storms by Thursday and Friday as well.